씨는 입고 있을 네.
Now, would you like to try it on? Would you like to check it?
오케이.
Okay, let's go! Okay, kaya today? Ayan. Tutulungan naman natin. Grabe naman tayo, hinakayaan lang natin siya. Oh! Direk! Direk, I think this deserves a close-up. Direk. Wow! Wow! He looks so good. Please tell him.
너무 잘 어울리십니다.
And it fits him perfectly.
맞는 것
It fits him
같아요.
perfectly. How do you feel? What do you
느낌이
think of the
어떠신가요?
clothes?
날씨가 좀 덥잖아요.
Actually, mainit kasi yung panahon dito sa Philippines.
그래서 되게 통풍이 잘 되게 시원할 것 같아요.
Kaya sobrang cool yung pakiramdam.
근데 안에